With these two simple and inexpensive products from Xiaomi, I made the ventilation system in my toilet smart for less than $25. Hey there, it's me, Martijn, and let me show you how in a moment. So we renovated our whole house, and with the new toilet, we finally installed a tube fan to mechanically get the air out. They're not expensive, but the moment you get a smart one, the price just skyrockets. And not only that, they're often too powerful for a toilet. It's kind of a waste of electricity when it's running non-stop, and last but not least, it's making this continuous annoying sound. So I went on the internet, got myself the Xiaomi Smart Plug 2 and the Xiaomi Motion Sensor, and got to work. The setup and automation is super simple. Insert the smart plug first into your wall socket. Then insert the tube fan plug into the smart plug. Easy peasy. Then hold down the button on the side of the motion sensor with a pin for 3 seconds and leave it somewhere. I left it a bit hidden over here. Now, grab your phone, open up the 𝗵𝗂𝗯𝗶𝗶 app, and connect the smart plug. It should appear already by itself, and after a successful connection, I assigned it to the toilet, but you can pick any room. Then go to the Xiaomi gateway in the app, and in case you don't have this one yet, then check out the link in the video's description to the one that I have and recommend, and connect it eventually to the Xiaomi Motion Sensor. Last but not least, the fun part, automation. I've set a rule that when motion is detected, the smart plug should turn on, no matter the time of the day. So now when you open the door, the system automatically turns on. So I did the same again, but then this time I set it so that when no motion is detected, in the last 2 minutes, the smart plug should turn off. You should be able to set it up in less than 2 minutes to enjoy an odorless toilet. With these two affordable and easy products from Xiaomi, it's so simple to make many products smart in your home. And the cool thing is, the smart plug has a lot of fun features. As you can see, the electric usage in the app, set turn on delays, timers, max power limits, charging protection, double press to count down, and even loop certain tasks. I purchased my products from 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗏, the Xiaomi's official reseller here in the Benelux and Europe. But if you live outside of those locations, then go check out the link in the video's description, as Amazon and AliExpress is quite often selling it too. Anyways, if you want to know my favorite Xiaomi product, then go watch this video over here, as we've reached the end of this one. If you like the video and you learned something, then please consider subscribing, so the next time when I publish a video, you'll be the first to know. Anyways, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.